Hello again, friends. Welcome back for another day of application problem. All right, before we get started, double check and make sure you have the problem that says Tuesday, Unit 6, Day 16. Does everybody have that? Tuesday, Unit 6, Day 16. All right, let's grab our pencil and we'll write today's date. Today's date is 4 April dash 28 dash 20. So it's Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. All right, here we go. I'm going to read the problem with you. Get your pencils ready to point and let's read together. Oh, we're talking about Emmy, just like yesterday, and she's making another train. So here we go. Emmy wants to make her train of 8 linking cubes into a train of 17 cubes. How many cubes does Emmy need? All right, so today she has a small train and she wants to make it bigger. So let's look again. Emmy wants to make her train of 8 linking cubes. What's important here? Good, 8 cubes. Her train is 8 cubes and she wants to make it into a train of how many? 17 cubes. So if she has an 8 cube train and she wants it to be a 17 cube train, what are we going to be doing here, boys and girls? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract to this 8 cubes she already has? Good, add. So let's put a plus sign. We know this is an addition sentence. She has 8 and she wants to get to 17. So our sentence we're going to complete is Emmy needs blank blank. Model drawing. Who or what are we talking about? What is our topic today? Good, cubes again. C-U-B-E-S. Cubes. All right, what information do we know? Do we know the parts? Do we know the whole? Good, we know one of the parts because we know she started out with how many cubes? 8. She had 8. Okay, so cubes started with. So we're going to put start S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Started with. W-I-T-H. Very good. Started with what? 8 cubes. How many more cubes do we know? More. We do not know how many more. More she did what? Added. More added. A, D, D, E, D. More added, question mark. More added cubes, we do not know. So she started with, she added some more cubes. How many does she want altogether, everybody? What does she want to end with? Good, 17. She wants to end with 17 cubes. So how many? We want to know up here. Let's go back up to that question. How many does Emmy need? How many does she need? Okay, so we could write more added, or that's the same as how many she needs right there. How many does she need? Okay, so let's start with that number bound. Everybody draw your number bound. Okay, draw your number bond on here. What did she start with? Our first part is 8. Do we know our second part? Nope, so let's put a question mark. Do we know what our whole train, how long it's going to be is? Good, 17. So what are we going to do to our numbers to figure this out? We know the whole train is 17. One of the parts is 8. What's our number sentence that would go with this problem? What do you think? Okay, I heard somebody say let's add. So what if we did our part, 8, plus our other part, question, equals our whole, 17. Good. We could also do the turnaround of that, question mark, our part, plus our other part, 8, equals our whole, 17. Good. Can anybody think of a subtraction problem we could do? Oh, good. We start with our whole because that's the big one. We can never take a whole away from a part, can we? We always have to start with our whole. So our whole is 17. What are we going to take away here? Good. 8 equals question mark. Super. So let's go over here and draw a picture. What would our picture have? How many cubes in our train? 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we made that 10 frame, and we still have 7 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'll give you a second to finish drawing that. So we know that's our whole train, 17 cars long, cubes long. And how many do we have to start with? 8. So let's cross the 8 we already have off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And circle what's left. So 8 plus this will give us 17. Let's count and see how many this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it equals 9. So 8 plus 9 will equal 17. All right, so let's go back up here to this sentence. Emmy needs how many? Good, 9 what? 9 trains? No, 9 cubes. Good, C-U-B-E-S. All right, fabulous work, first graders. Emmy needs 9 cubes. All right, you guys work hard, and I will see you tomorrow.